WhatsApp is introducing an option to add a username to your account that you'll be able to use instead of your phone number. Want to reserve yours for when this feature is released? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to reserve your username on WhatsApp. Now let's get started. The option to reserve your preferred username is now available to current WhatsApp users who already have an account created with their mobile phone number. To reserve your WhatsApp username, first ensure you've updated WhatsApp to the newest available version. Then open WhatsApp and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap Account. Then select Username. Then you can choose to use the same username you have on Instagram or Facebook, or create a new username. I'm picking the Create option. Now type in the username you want to use. If you pick the same username you use for Instagram or Facebook, you'll be prompted to link your accounts together. Your username has to be unique, so you may need to add a number or special character like an underscore or a dash to make it different from any other existing user on WhatsApp. If you have trouble coming up with something unique, you can tap Suggest Username to have WhatsApp give you some ideas. Once you've entered your desired username, tap Save. Your username will then be reserved. You can also choose who can contact you by your username. By default, it will be set to everyone, but if you don't want people guessing your username or stumbling across it, you can choose to allow only people who also know your key to contact you by your username. WhatsApp will generate a 4-digit code that you'll need to give to new contacts along with your username in order for them to be able to contact you. The username feature will be fully released soon, and at that point, new users will be able to sign up with a username and not have to link their account to a phone number. For existing users, adding a username will not hide your phone number from contacts who already have it, so keep this in mind. Once the username feature is rolled out, you'll be able to give new contacts your username and keep your phone number private. That's all it takes to reserve your username on WhatsApp. Want to learn more about WhatsApp? Check out our full playlist of WhatsApp tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.